All right, so what I'm going to do here is show you how to do the activity with a TI84. I'm hoping I can make this work for us. Anyway, we're going to make a letter W, and we're going to use the x-intercepts, -3, -1, 1, and 3. So first I go into y equals. I turn to get that in there like this. Then I'm going to go, first I want to put a 0.1 because 0.1 will make the curve so it is a little bit easier to see. All right. Okay, so sorry I'm moving this around, but I'm just trying to get it so I can use it. So let's see, parentheses, x is there, plus, where's plus right down here, plus 3, parenthesis, parenthesis x, plus 1, parenthesis, don't want that, need to go back up here, sorry, hit the wrong key, plus 1, parenthesis, and then another parenthesis, and an x, and then a -1, because now we're on the positive side, so it's the opposite, and then an x plus 3, parenthesis. Okay, so I see that I already forgot one thing. So I'm going to go back over to this +1 here, or excuse me, this 0.1. Well, let me graph this and show you what it does. How about that? We'll just graph it. Okay. Oops, I must have a mistake someplace. So that is an odd looking, oh, this has got to be a -3. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got. That's much better. So there's my W. All right, so then what I want to do is I want to cut it off someplace so it just draws here to here. So I'm looking at that and I'm thinking maybe like a 3.5 to 3.5, so -3.5 to 3.5. So I'm going to go y equals, and right here I need to put a parenthesis. Now if I put a parenthesis, it's going to erase that decimal point and I'm going to have to retype everything. So what I'm going to do is hit second and delete, which is an insert, and now I'm going to put a parenthesis. And then I'm going to go to the end and put another parenthesis. So I've enclosed the equation that makes the W. All right? To do the restrictions on a TI84, it's kind of strange, but you use the division key, and then you're going to go parenthesis, and you have to do 2 of them. Now I'm going to start it, so I want to go -3.5 because that is where I want to begin to draw my letter. Then I'm going to go second and math, which is test. It's a little confusing. You can always pause this. And I want number 5, which is my less than, so enter, and x. And then I'm going to close it with a parenthesis. All right? Then what I'm going to do is, since I want it to work with both of these, I'm going to go with another parenthesis, and I want to go x again, second, and math to get that test so I can get my, here, and enter, and then I'm going to put down 3. Sorry again, I'm having a tough time with the video and looking at all that whole thing here. There. Finally, I'm going to close it with 2 parentheses. So, again, what did I do? I enclosed the equation or the function with a parenthesis, and then I went division, double parenthesis, -3.5. That's where it's going to start drawing, less than x, parenthesis, parenthesis, x less than 3.5. Let me put 3.5 there. Parenthesis, parenthesis. My goodness. Press enter. And now I'm going to graph it and hope that this works. There it worked. So that's how the syntax for that works. It's a little more complicated on an 84 than it is on the other calculators or Desmos, but that's how it works. All right, you set up your equation, you surround it with parentheses, all right, and then you can put in your restrictions.